Welcome back to Gabdi TV, and maraming salamat ulit sa panonood at sa mga nag-subscribe. Maraming salamat. Anyway, for today's episode, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna try to summon both of the kids, Zach and Zion, yung magpinsan, para to be part of this video. So, what I'm gonna make them do is, papatikiman papatry ko sa kanila yung mga dati kong mga kinakain ng bata pa ako. Well, obviously this is our just like junk foods. So yung mga tito and titas of Manila, for sure you'll know everything, or you know everything about these food, kasi ito yung mga kinakain natin ng mga recess break, or pag tumatakas tayo habang nagde-lesson yung teacher, pachani-chani ng mga junk foods. Yun. So these junk foods are very memorable for me and meaningful because they are part of my childhood as well. So I want to make it a point na these kids that I have right now, na Zach and Zion, ma-experience din nila yung mga kinakain natin ng bata tayo. So let's see how would they react dun sa mga chocolates ito or candies. Okay, so without further ado, this is the top 10 Filipino snacks.
Hi guys!
Alright, so today, what we're gonna do is give you snacks.
Snack?
You want snacks?
Yes! Yes! I love snacks. I want chocolate tsaka Milo. Masarap yun.
So ang gagawin natin, papatikin ko sa inyo yung mga pagkain namin ng bata pa kami, nila Tita Jem. Okay?
Oh.
What's this? What's this?
Late. I love Reso. Messi. Sarap pa, parang patis. Messi.
Okay, tigin mo. Sige. Ano sa lasa?
Sarap. Parang lasa chocolate. Parang lasa Milo. Pag nilagay mo Milo, masarap yan.
Anong lasa
Masarap? Masarap, diba?
Okay. Yummy? Okay. What's this? This is what you call knickknacks.
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 The white one and the chocolate one. So you need to get only one each. Okay? I need you to try it.
Okay.
Zion, ano? Masarap? Ano lasa?
Lasa chocolate, lasa Milo. Ay! Mali.
Milo? Lala. Kasi mo lala. Natin ang lala. One for you. One for you. Okay. Open it. Okay. Ready? Salit lang. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Sarap.
Sarap? Zion. Retreat. Yummy? So anong lasa niya? Tamis. Very good.
Parang tamis naman. Ang tamis. Kaya favorite kayo, maganda yan.
Ano tawag dito? Everybody say, hello!
Hello!
Hello. Tama na yan, Lala. Hello naman. Tama na hello.
Hindi pa na.
Ready, 1, 2, 3, go. Give.
Yummy. Sarap. Ubus natin Sarap. Wow.
Enough, hello. Ang lasa ng hello?
Parang lasa chocolate ulit.
Chocolate ulit? Naku, parang lahat chocolate, no? Ikaw, yummy?
Honey. Parang honey.
Okay, next, we have, what's this? Nips. I'll give you one each, okay? Try nyo.
Lasa grapes. Lasa grapes ito. Tsaka blueberry.
Blueberry. Oo. We have flat top.
Black tops.
Diba flat top?
Black tops.
Okay, try it. Dali lang. Tapak mo. Okay, go.
Try ko kaya, pang masarap. Sarap! Try mo to, masarap. Sarap! I hope you. I'll help you. Epic. Thank you. Sarap niya. Yummy!
Next,
Tama.
we have Cloud9.
Cloud 9.
Okay, I want you to try it. Tama naman na yan.
Yung...
Subukan mo si Kuya Sak.
Ah.
Kuya Sak, ah. Oh, ang sweet naman. Oh. Tignan mo, ang lasa.
Lasa honey.
Honey?
Yung parang honey, mga tao nagagawa sila chocolate honey. Tsaka chocolate. Lalagyan na honey. Pang ibig sabihin yung tunaw. Masarap yun. Pag nakain, masarap yan. Diba guys?
Okay, next. Anong lasa? Isa tayo.
Oreo!
Hindi Oreo. Cream O. Cream O to, hindi Oreo. Mukha lang siyang Oreo. Pero ito,
Kumukha lang.
local version. Masarap to. Tangkilikin ang sariling atin. Jack and Jill. Kami na yan. Kuha, isa. Get one. Lasa.
Sarap. Parang lasa toothpaste.
Ha?
Malasa toothpaste.
Lasang toothpaste. At parang lahat naman masarap. Dapat na pagkain yan, bubuksan mong ganyan. Bubuksan mong ganyan. And then, lick. Dilaan mo. Okay, we're down to last two. What's this? Ayun, ulam. Kunin mo.
Yan! Sarap yan.
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Ayan. Merong isang version ito honey, pero mas original to, mas luma. Chocolate. So, hindi pa kami pinapanganak. Ni La Tita Jem.
Apa?
May chocolate na.
May winter chocolate tis bata pa si Tita Jem.
Chocolate. This is like butter.
Butter.
Peanut butter.
My favorite peanut butter.
Open.
Let's try it. Sarap yung butter. Oy!
Hindi niyo mabuksan.
Ako na lang. Buksan ko.
Ito, kain. Ang lasa.
Itagaboy di ang tubig.
Wait lang, kumaya na yung tubig. Kailangan, labanan niyo yan. So, malawa kayo ngayon. Puro kayo matamis. Sige. Okay, last two. Last one.
Last one.
Mallows.
Mallows.
Choco mallows.
Oh, my favorite!
Okay, so, I'm gonna teach you how to eat it, okay? So, tama na yan. Lagyan mo na yung chocolate.
Taste na.
Thank you. Okay.
Daddy.
Okay.
Okay. Buksan mo natin. Pang-ready muna tayo.
Ready.
Hindi pa tapos.
One.
Di pa. Okay. Hawak mo. Okay, race na tayo.
Cheers. One, two.
1, 3, go. Cheers.
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 Ready? 1, 2, go.
Cheers. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Toothpaste na naman. Toothpaste?
Toothpaste. Hindi yan lasang toothpaste. That's marshmallow. Yummy?
Yummy.
Okay. Okay, question and answer? Question and answer tayo? Si Zach muna. What's your favorite?
Ito favorite peanut butter, favorite ko to.
Isa lang.
Ito, favorite ko to, peanut butter.
Yung chocolate. Okay. Okay, si Zion naman. Ano gusto ni Zion? What's your favorite? Okay, napakahirap mag-decide kay Rinted kasi lahat dyan gusto niya dahil...
Maliit pa siya eh. Kasi...
So, what do you like? Ano pinaka-favorite mo? Oh, that one. So, flat top. Flat top na nagustuhan niya. Okay.
Sino
So,
na?
ang panalo kay Zach is chocolate and hello. Kay Rinted, flat top. Ang pinaka nagustuhan niya. Okay?
Thank you guys. Bye-bye.